This will be a freeze test between the iPhone XS Max versus the Galaxy Note 9. There goes my cat. So basically, what I'm gonna do is this Pepsi, pour it in these two containers with the phones, stick it in the icebox for, I don't know, 8, 10, 12 hours, something like that, and see if they survive. That's pretty much it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, as you can see, this is the iPhone XS Max in all of its glory. And this is the Note with the yellow S Pen, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the S Pen back in, if I can. Here, I'm gonna do it this way. Kind of hard doing this one-handed, you know. So you can see. All right, so I'm gonna take my liquid and open this up. Hard doing this one-handed, but let's see. Got it. Okay. Here we go. All right, cool. iPhone XS Max, Galaxy Note 9. Let me know in the comments below which phone you think will survive this test. Here's my Pepsi, and let's go. Very nice. Do the same thing to the Note. Okay, now is that about the same level? Let's check it out. Make sure it's even. About the same. Pour a little bit more on the extra small. And do the same thing here on the Galaxy for fairness. I think that's about right. Okay, a little bit more here. And I think we're good. Cool. So check out the phones real quick. What are they doing right now? Galaxy is just Galaxy themes. It's in the theme store, Samsung themes, I think. And then the iPhone is just on the home screen. I think that's what it looks like. All right. Okay, what's going on? I can't put this on. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Very nice. Go to my LG icebox. Let's see. Open this up. Got a little space right there for the containers. Okay, take this one. This one is the iPhone, I think. And just put it there and do the same thing with the Galaxy Note 9. So you can see. Very nice. I think the phone made it sound too. Close the icebox, and there you have it. So I'm gonna let that get frozen. I'll see you on the other side. And I am back. Following day, so you can see, sun is out, etc. So let's go ahead and just check these phones out. Gonna open the icebox. And what are we dealing with? Oh man. I don't know, bro. Doesn't look too good. This one is I don't know which one that is. And let's see, let's grab this. Ah, man. Woo, hear that sound? Nice and solid. So which one is this? I don't even know. And okay, I guess we'll just find out. Let's see. Open Sesame. Wow. Okay, put that to the side and open this one. Frozen. Very nice. So let's just go ahead and do it this way so you can see. All right, I already prepped some hot water, and let's just do this. Okay, that might be enough. Okay, what are we, can I, okay, get that one out. Okay, that one's the Galaxy. That to the side, and let's see, can I just flip this one over also? Yes, I can, and that one is the iPhone extra small. That to the side. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's cold. Hella cold. Oh, that is hella cold. Damn. Hold on a second. I'm gonna freeze my fingers. Put a little bit of this just to kind of, there you go. That is cold AF, man. Okay. Give this one a little shake. And let's see what we're dealing with. Now, this is not a good sign. Always on display should be on. But that is not the case, clearly. So let's, I'm gonna try to turn this on right now. Oh. Oh no. Is this a dead phone? Pressing the power button. Nothing. What? All right, hold it down. Ooh! Very nice. Okay, let that boot up. All right, now it's looking good. There you go. All right, now let's get the, here, put this over here. Let's get the extra small out. He needs a little bit more. Okay. Man, that is hella cold. Hold on a second. Let me just kind of, there you go. Just a little bit. Just to kind of warm it up. Give this a little shake. Try to fling all the water that might be stuck in the ports, etc. All right. iPhone XS Max. All right, come on, 2K phone. That's ooh! Wow, so this phone, it didn't turn itself off. It's on. Very nice. Okay, testing out the screen function. Everything seems good. Let's see. Phone dialer seems to work. Now let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, and do the same thing to the Note 9. Okay, turning on the power button. Okay, now this phone just booted up a second ago, right? Pressing the power button and there's no activity. Okay, let me hold it down again. Interesting, all right. So I don't know what happened there. Let's keep an eye on this for now. Booted up earlier, right? but it didn't stay on or something. Okay, and we are in. All right, let me jack up the brightness just a little bit. Ooh, the screen, oh, there we go, okay. Cool, hope, yeah, you can see that. Check charger USB port, moisture has been detected, yada, yada, yada. Battery power 0%. That's why. Battery power is at 0%. So when I put this phone in the freezer, it was like, if I recall correctly, power was in the 80s or something. Yeah, it was around 80% or so. So that means the battery lost all of its power in the fridge. Well, that's minus points for this phone, I guess. Come on, Note 9, I'm disappointed right now. I mean, the extra small here, look at the battery percentage. 82%. So that's pretty good. Put it in the freezer with around, I don't know, somewhere in the high 80s or 90 something, right? 82%, that's pretty good. Galaxy Note 9, this was like somewhere in the 80s, if I remember correctly. And then now it's at 0%. So, I don't know, man. Might have to give the win to the extra small then. Oh, I'm disappointed. Come on, Note 9, I wanted you to do a little bit better. But, hey, gotta report the findings, and as of right now, iPhone XS is pulling out in front a little bit here. So let's check out the speakers of this phone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and play this. Okay. Play. Okay, now speakers sound really dim. So let me turn this off. Let me flick it again. Try to get all this liquid off. Fling all this liquid off from the speakers, etc. Okay, try that one more time. And let's play. Play. Put it next to the mic. All right, it still sounds very, very low. So you can see the volume's max right there. But you know what? You let this phone dry. I think the speaker should come back to normal. And real quick, let's check out the camera lens. Let me look at it right now. And I'm seeing a little bit of condensation in the lens, which is not a good sign. So let's open the camera app real quick. Camera. And ooh, yeah. You see that? There's all kinds of condensation in the lens. So gonna have to give minus points on that. But over time, let this phone dry out. Hopefully that'll go away. All right. All right. Put that to the side. Let's check the note again. And oh, okay. On this one, I do not see any condensation in the lens. Look at that. You see that? So plus points on the Note 9. But the battery on the Note 9 drained completely. I can't even turn this phone on right now. So how about this? Phones are out of the freezer. I don't think I can charge this phone right now because of the wet charging port. I'm gonna go grab a wireless charger right now. And because I want to run this phone right now. So let me grab the wireless charger. Give me a couple minutes. All right, I am back. Grab the wireless charger from the other room. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy in real quick. Hey, what are you doing? My cat is hella curious right now. Hey, you wanna help me, you wanna play with a wireless charger? Is that what you wanna do? Anyway, so where were we? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, that's soda, don't drink that. Nope, not for you. Sorry, Zimba. So you put this to the side. You can't have this. All right, my bad, my cat is interrupting me. All right, so where were we? Right. So, I want to see if I can wirelessly charge this. So you can see, You want to help me charge this phone right now? All right, let's Hey, you're chewing the wires. What are you doing? Don't chew the wire. All right. Okay. Go play. Go, get out of here. Go play. Aha, see? Fast wireless charging. So I gotta get this phone to run right now. All right, this video is starting to get a little long. Starting to get a little weird, but gotta do it. So the extra small, I think I'm gonna have to give this one the pass. The phone pretty much works, except for the condensed camera lens, as you can see. Check it again. Yeah. Check it right now. Again, actually. Okay, I think it cleared up a little bit, actually. Yeah, I think it's improving. So you can see right there. All right, put that to the side. Hey, come on. 1%. I think I can turn on the phone right now with that, right? Let's try to do that. Fast wireless charging. Let's go. There we go. And we are in again. So you heard the speaker there. Sounded pretty good. We'll test that out. Okay, what do we have here? We have a water indicator, detecting moisture on the port. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the Wi-Fi, or turn off airplane mode first, then turn on the Wi-Fi. Yeah, my bad. This video is getting kind of long and ish, but all right. Checking the screens. See, where are we at? 1% battery. All right. Screen seems to be working fine. So let's see, where was it? So over here somewhere. Okay, screen, hold on, let me try. Okay. Maybe the responsiveness here is not as good. Okay, interesting. All right, so where's YouTube? Test out the speakers RN. So let's, yeah, it's still here. Let's see, this one. Background music I play on my videos. Skip that. Sounds pretty good. Max volume, as you can see. Gotta say, that sounds pretty loud. Now, it does sound a little bit muddy. All right, it sounds a little bit muddy, but like the XS, let this dry. I think the speaker should come back to 100%. So I'm gonna give the speaker test a pass on this one. And finally, let's open the camera real quick. Test this out. Battery power 2%. Okay, I can't really. Battery low, yeah. But, okay, it looks a little bit blurry from here, as you can see. So maybe there's still a little bit of condensation left on the lens. Doesn't look like it though, but maybe there's still some. But let the phone dry out. I think that will return back to normal. Cool. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test between the iPhone XS Max and the Galaxy Note 9. Thanks for watching. Peace out. One more thing, I almost forgot. Check the functionality of the S Pen. Gonna pull it out if I can. As you can see, I'm trying to. And then the S Pen still works for the most part, or it does work. So you can see, save that in notes. Working just fine.